Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me, Marge Simplicity's Vlog. So guys, haggard kay tag-face. So, never mind my face there because stress kayo guys, no? So for today's video, nais ko lang sanang batiin ang aking kaibigan dito sa mundo ni YouTube. So, hello sis Jabi! Ito po ang kanyang channel guys. Kung hindi pa kayo connect, please pa-connect naman. So, yan po sis. Kasi late na ako nakapag nakita ko yung videos mo sa birthday mo. So, birthday mo pala. So, belated happy birthday sis. Thank you so much for being my friend here in YouTube. Thank you for always support my channel. So, keep strong, laban lang. Enjoy lang tayo dito sa mundo ni Whitey. Hindi tayo magpapastress, hindi tayo magpapadala. So, enjoy lang tayo dito. And God bless you more on your channel. And ano pa ba? Laban lang sis at ingat ka dyan. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo dyan. Hindi pa naman tayo nagkita and personal but dito lang tayo sa YouTube kita-kita. Okay sis, God bless you more and more birthdays to celebrate. Okay, thank you so much sis for being my supporter. Very loyal supporter talaga. Okay, mag-ingat ka dyan. Hanggang dito na lang and see you around in your videos. Bye-bye!